How does coordination in plant take place? Because plants do not have any nervous system or muscle, but they do respond to the stimulus. For example, Mimosa pudica, a touch me not plant. If it is touched, it folds its leaf and droop. So there are two types of movement in this plant. One is dependent on growth and one is independent of growth. So there are two types of movements. When we touch this Mimosa pudica, it leaves fold but no growth occurs. That means it does not involve any growth. So it is independent of growth. But if you move seedling from one, say paddy seedling uh, or some seedling, then it grows because it is dependent on the growth. So plant convey information from cell to cell through the electrical chemical means. So hormone which are produced in plants, these are hormones, these are the functions. So auxins, so this is promoting the root growth, cytokinin for promoting the shoot growth and the, you can say, branch growth and cell division. This gibberellin is for the promotion of flower, abscisic acid for retarding the growth, and ethylene, it helps in fruit ripening. When it comes to movement due to growth, see, the most common example you can take is of movement of growth of tendrils. So these tendrils are quite sensitive to touch, but when they come in contact with, say, certain object, the part of tendril which is away from the object, this will go faster as compared to the part of tendril which is somewhat closer or in contact with the objects. So it is a directional movement, and it appears that if the plant is actually moving. So this directional movement of plants, these are known as tropic movements, and the movement can be, say, towards the stimulus, or it can be away from the stimulus as well. There are certain examples of some movements in plant like the phototropism, that is the movement due to light, the gravitopism, that is the movement due to gravity, hydrotropism, movement due to water, and chemotropism, this is the movement due to some chemicals.